So we're looking around, right? We have, there's Linux. Linux is big. VoidLinux.org, that's where we ended up with. And after Bluestar Linux can go. VoidLinux, that's a torrent of this one. Home, have a look. General purpose operating system based on the monolithic Linux kernel. Quickly install. You can follow some. It's a stable rolling release. Some social media you can follow up there. Pull requests and all that. So September code Python 2 is bye. Bye bye Python 2. And you follow, and then there's the news and the downloads, and that's where I got my Xfce4. Asked ChatGPT what's the difference between glibc and this muscle thing. Basically a different C library, smaller, better maybe for memory management, I remember. But you ask it again and you'll get a more detailed information. Choice glibc, what we have on ArcoLinux as well. On Arch. Xfce is what is booted up. If we go to this one, right? So this one actually can go. We've got one in this here. And then what, right? Then what? How do we install things? Documentation. History. Live installers. Installer images. How to install it. Preparation, partition node, installation guide. Void installer. Once the live image has booted, login as root with password VoidLinux. Not sure if that's needed for me, but I don't know. So let's see if we have an application that gets launched. Should we launch something? Because we've not, we need to type void something. There is a void installer, must be run as root. Void installer, that's a minus. No, that's a minus. Installer. Welcome to the Void installation guide. Okay. Set the system keyword. Can we type BE? It says it ends with the E. So B, E Latin. Set up the network. Network is working. Set source installation. Let's take this one. A mirror. Europe. Anything Sweden? There he is. Arco is known to us. Yes. Okay. Host system name Void. Locale. Is that the keyboard? I don't think so. English. That one. Time zone. Europe, Belgium. Brussels, okay. Password. Super difficult password. User account. Nah. Alright. My name, thank you very much. That's that. That's technical. Let's assume it's okay. Bootloader. GPT. Oh la la. Normally I would take 25 or something. Let's do first the EFI type, EFI system, then do the rest for 20 gigabyte and Xfce4, which is okay already, and then the rest is swap. Then we have swap as well. Then we write yes please, and then we quit. Install has not yet been configured. What did I do? This one, EFI, Linux file system. Should I say it's a root or something? The mount point. How about this? I have to say something. Boah, boot. How about this? What is he saying? It's not yet been configured. Please create it. FAT32 mount on boot EFI at least. Oh, right. Boot EFI. File system. And that's what he wants. Boot EFI. Okay, yes. How about this? I'm not sure if this is correct. Let's just try. Who reads, right? So, that's not yet been configured. Mount point at least 100 megabyte. I'm doing that. Let's do this again. So we got this. We got EFI, Linux file system. All of this is good. 1, 2, 3. So that looks good. Then I have to configure things. Ow! Then I have to configure things here. This one needs to be FAT32, sure. And then it wants to know where I should mount it. Boot EFI. And this one is an Xfce4. Just in the root, and this one I shouldn't do anything here. Voila, done. Install. Ah, that's something else. So, yep, that looks good. Counting files. Is there any help at all online for people? Here it gets tricky, right? The file systems. That's something you need to know. The slash as well. I hope there are other tutorials. How to install VoidLinux. So this is an installation guide. Here's docs, which is the index page. Anything else? Complete step-by-step guide. So have a look around. If you're stuck somewhere, this is actually where we're stuck. Voila. File systems. step by step people tell you what you need to do. Yes. So basically read. Here's my slash, right? And that was what I was looking for. So have a look. Let's promote the website. Linux IAC, Linux. The solid package manager explained, Jellyfin, Botman 5.3. Have a look around. Maybe there are other things you'd like to see. Test out the PHP my admin. Alpha, right? What do we get? Has been installed successful. Do you want to reboot? Of course we want to reboot. What a question is that? Reboot. What's in here? Log value is 4. Normally you use 3. So we could ask ChatGPT, what's the difference between 3 and 4? And we're in. Now what, right? Now what? Right mouse click. Yep, there he is. So, why does it say void live? Am I still in the live environment? Shut down. Let's get rid of this. And see if we can reboot. I was not sure if it was actually the live environment or the hard disk, the virtual machine. So now I'm sure. Make this bigger, wait for it, Control F, nothing happens. You go to the settings manager and go to display, click, come on, that one, apply, wait for it, keep, close, click away. We've got liftoff, right? What do we get? Can we have a new fetch, please? Can we have fast fetch, please? Ooh. I'm still in QWERTY, so that's done. Sudo pacman -syyu. Pacman is unknown. Ouch. How shall we do things? How shall we update things? Is Firefox there? There is, so we keep in sight. Virtual machine. How to install packages in VoidLinux. Accept. xbps. Sudo xbps. No bash completion. Orion bash. No idea. Updating. Let's do an update. You go here. No, not possible. Sudo xo. Doesn't seem to be a sudo needed, or we'll see. bps install -su. Fetching that. There's a lock. Permission denied. You have the reflex. Maybe. I need to be sudo, right? How much is it? 1 gig. What else do I need? Chart and kernel after update. Nope, no panics yet. Repositories, mirrors, restricted packages, custom repositories, signing, contributing. There's the Xorg stuff. It's always interesting to see other documentations. Arch Wiki, Gentoo Wiki, VoidLinux Wiki, right? find the info you need. Because these things are probably 100% the same. You can follow the links. Again, the same website, Linuxiac. Right. This gives us a great start, right? The learning curve, it goes all up because the information is so concentrated. We can query things, we can install things, remove things, source things, our repositories. We can add repositories, update package list. That's the one we're doing now. He's busy. Searching is the query thing. Through install packages, installing, updating. What was that? VLC. Definitely need that. So voila. Removing again. Orphan things. So this is basically a lot about the manager, right? The package manager. And of course, more than that. What's this? From source. Okay. Not interested. And then the conclusion. Moreover, similarly to Arch and Gentoo, what did I say? Void can be transformed to whatever you want. Yes, so yeah, great wikis, both of them. How about this? All right. So sudo xk something x. Why is the bash completion not there? Sudo xk. Was it not a k? Arrow up. xb. XB. How are going to? Can we remember this thing? xbps. Sudo. That's done. So what was I thinking? Chromium and VLC and stuff like that. Oh, yep, no problem. But sudo, let's go up. There's the R. There is no bash completion. If this is bash, it's now installed. Is this bash? New fetch. Let's see if we can install it. Voila. So yes, it's bash. Let's see if we can log out. Where are you? Log out, log out. Bash completion. Do your thing. Well, sudo xb, voila, xb, and then all the xb's. I'd just like some info. What does it stand for? xbps stands for in VoidLinux. How can we remember that? X binary package system. Okay, X binary package system. It's designed from scratch. Wikipedia. The X binary package system, which was designed the run it init system. 2008 already. It's a while ago. Look at that, right? Shining on this so much. All right. Yeah, there's lots of links to the Raspberry Pi I've seen. So, okay. There's queries we can do. The X binary package manager system. S for system. Okay, install something else. Can we do all that? Oh my god, right? This is what I can install. Firefox things, GNOME things. Okay. Anything else I'd like to venture? Yeah, let's try to design it a little bit. Is the Arc theme there? Arc GTK theme, is that here Arc theme as name? I'm assuming here. We'll see. 2022, that's a very strange number. Let's have a look. Settings, appearance. Okay, it is Arc Dark. Do we have variety? Okay, fed up with my keyboard. Remove. Belgian. One up. English. Remove. Close. All right. So, what if I launch variety? Probably next accessories. Yep. Continue. Accept. Don't want that. Don't want that. Don't want that. Don't want that. I want something new. From Wallhaven, for example. Let's go for sci-fi. Voila. 1, 2, 3, go. We've got ourselves a nice wallpaper. That's a nice one too. Close. So, I don't like the desktop settings there. Icons, don't want that and that and that to be there. Everything is okay. Then, what if I want other icons? Or maybe they're papyrus icons, who knows? So sudo, forgot it again, X binary, S was system, B was packaging. Yeah. Can we type something like that? Yeah, papyrus icon theme. So we got something different. Unpacking. I'm ready to go to change it. Okay. Settings, settings manager, appearance, icons, papyrus, dark. Close. We got this. Really don't like the menu. Add new items, I guess. The mouse. It's not mouse, but it is. The menu. Huh? It's not there. Okay. What can we install from Xfce4? The whisker menu. There he is. Whisker menu plugin. Yes. Kill it. Go back. Panel. Panel preferences. Nah. Panel. Add new item. The whisker menu. Add. Close. Move this thing to here. Let's remove that one later on by panel preferences. Can we remove that one? Yes. Then close, I guess. And then the properties of that one, appearance, applications, it says title, VoidLinux, right? Void, come on, icon and title, and the name is VoidLinux. The icon can be anything you like. How about this one? Okay, I'm in control. I can do whatever to the system, right? I can do anything, I'm in control. This is a bit strange. So menu width is that, menu height is that. Sure, it's okay. I can do smaller. Background opacity. So let's play around with it. Now we see this a little bit less. Let's take a 90-ish. A little bit of transparency. And when we go over things, hover over somewhere, hover. Switch categories by hovering. Voila. Good enough, right? So yeah, you can change your VoidLinux to anything you like. Play around with it. And of course there's so much to do. And what you do is whatever I've typed, you have to put it in a file, right? Right mouse click, create document, empty file, installation file or something, I don't know, .sh, so you know it's a script, and put your commands that you've put in here. That one is a good one. Up, Ctrl-Shift-C, Ctrl-Shift-V, just go ahead and type everything you'd like. I wonder if there's a, just says already installed. Was thinking about in Arch we have needed and another one, needed and no confirm are things that we can type, right? That won't work here. In Ubuntu we have yes. So please install it. Don't ask me. No yes or no. Just do it. Don't think that's a problem here. Let's see. I don't know. Chromium. Did we do that already? So Vivaldi then. Does that exist? Not found. There's another one. It's called maybe stable. No. Anything else that we like to have? OBS Studio. It's not in the pool. How about OBS? OBS is in the pool. So the name changes. So it's not asking for yes, did he? No. He did ask yes. So I don't want a yes. Question is how that's done. Okay. So internet. Maybe the men can help me as well. So X binary package system. Install. Do not ask for pass for yes, yeah, for yes, something like that. Oh yeah, doesn't automatically import key. So they have a yes there as well. So I have to test something else now. This should work, but not with OBS because that's already there. Anything else? NeoFetch was already installed. FastFetch. Oh, let's take BTOP. Is BTOP there? It is, and did not ask for a yes. So that's cool. I figured it out. Dash dash yes. All right. Yeah, you can keep on playing around with these things until finally you get your stuff right. So the minus yes is something maybe you'd like to have. So I had the following idea. It's only 30 minutes in. So we have this sudo xbps-install git. Control C. Yes, right? And can I make a directory here called data and go inside data and here do a git clone of https github.com/ and then /ArcoLinux-Nemesis. That gets this in. Ooh, I'd like to have Sublime Text if we're doing something like that. Subliminal. Not what I want. Not what I want. All right, whatever. All right. What if I can run this thing? Well, make a file somewhere in here for VoidLinux. If next time I'm around, I have this, at least a few of these things that I like to have installed. I run the script, install, using this, maybe remove as well, not sure if there's anything I should remove. Not really. It's just the default Xfce. And then, yeah, I have this script here that's looking at a certain file, etc os release. If you are on a certain system, sudo nano etc os release. Nano is not yet installed. Cat void. So if I find void in this thing, then cd personal settings to a folder called void, and then I'll just put some files, some commands in the one all-in-one, and then go ahead, install some more stuff. And gradually over years, years from now, this can grow. Each time I install it, say, let's run the script. I'm missing this. Add a line. I'm missing that. Add a line. And just keep on changing. That's basically ArcoLinux-Nemesis. Since I can install stuff on Linux Mint, on Alma Linux, on Ubuntu, and then later on, this is just anything Arch. Okay. So I'm gonna keep playing around with it. I'm gonna say an extra line here. If you find void, then run the file in a folder and install more stuff. But that's not in the video, right? Just gonna have some personal fun. Cheers.